Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's going on out there, man? Real quick, we're gonna do this one real quick. How are they going to recall the oil filter house? No, never. You know why? Because it's not a safety issue, my friend. It's a messy issue. Okay, recalls are predominantly centered around safety. All right. Now, one could argue if oil get on your exhaust from leaking, you could start a fire, right? That would technically make this a safety issue, right? So technically, if enough people complain about it, there may be a chance. But then they will have to reimburse everybody that spent money to get that repair. So it's a slim chance in hell they're going to approve such a repair and make it a recall. I think by law, if it affects your safety, they have to issue it out as a recall. Like I say, there's nothing unsafe about a leaking oil filter adapter housing. Just not. And the immediate exhaust, well, the exhaust system is not immediately underneath a potential leaking oil filter adapter housing. So if it's dripping, it's not going to technically. Nah, but I beg to differ. I just did one. The one I showed y'all, the car that, they was complaining about. What that car come in for? It had no oil in it, and we was underneath the car, and y'all can see the whole exhaust saturated with oil. Yes, that's a potential fire. The answer to your question is no. Are they going? No, they're not going to recall that. I don't know why. People have the same argument about the ticking 3.6. It's just nothing. It's just that there's nothing unsafe about your engine ticking. It's unflattering. It sounds bad, but it's not unsafe. I mean, you can tick to your destination safely. I can't keep protecting or trying to guard Chrysler, trying to bodyguard. No, but hey, man, I don't think that should. Now, they did good by offering an extended recall. They did good, but that wasn't even for ticking. That was for misfire. So they issued nothing on the potential ticking problem that your 3.6 may accumulate. And again, that word may, it's not that all of them is going to happen. Everybody, all of them are junk. No, man, it's just a small percentage of them that are failing. All right. It's maybe not even 5%, maybe 4%. You know what that means? If we're seeing so many of that little 4%, there's a gazillion of them out there with no problems at all. All right. The bulk of the ones, when I walk around nosy 30, y'all seeing all those? That's 3% right there. So I don't know what the other 1%, they scattered out in independent shops. But yeah, it's a small percentage of them. The same with the Hemi. People are arguing me down. All of them are junk. I can't. I can't. No, Wilfred. Sorry, buddy. All right, back to my 43,000 miles. What issues will there be later? Oh, you already thinking negative. Don't think negative, Unc. If I was a betting man, I would not have it over a couple years anyway. Okay, runs good. No motor issues yet. Why are you hollering yet? This is a 2.7. There's no history of trouble out of the 2.7. Okay, stop it. All right, keep faith, man. Keep, think positive. All right, your 2.7 gonna outlast that truck that you did. Y'all go check out that video. I'll put that in a shot. I walked around a lot yesterday. I filmed this too. I need to upload that video. I saw some trucks over there, but all our new trucks are split, 3-level split. When where you can the tailgate. Yeah, it's a proper name for that. I can't. What hell that? The Rams with the 3-way split. So they don't use shocks, but the ones that you open in, Unc didn't want his tailgate to slam down, so he installed a shock kit on it. I was looking to see how the newer trucks accomplishing that feat. Are they using shocks? But I never got to find out because I couldn't find none that was equipped with that. But yeah. They would never recall the 3.6 for the oil filter housing. Not a safety issue. Even Durman improved aluminum housing doesn't do anything about the seals going bad. It just makes it harder to crack. All right. So I guess they can take the failure rate and find out which one is the higher. Is it leaking from a standpoint of seals, or is it leaking from a standpoint of the damn thing just cracking? So remember, guys, we talk about this all the time. It's been revised. We're up to AG now, I think. I just replaced a AF model. To me, it did not look like there was a problem with the housing. In fact, I kept that housing and I went and bought a seal package. I did a video on that. I'm going to upload that. I went and got a seal package and I kept the box that the oil-filled adapter housing came in. So I put the AF in the box and a pack of seals. That's going to Brother Motors. We're going to sell that as a used oil-filled adapter housing, but reconditioned. I guess you can dub it a reconditioned oil-filled adapter housing because we put in brand new seals on it. The seal package was $15. They're not expensive at all. They're newer, improved seals. Now, I would caution doing that before you make sure your problem is not the housing. No one has good enough eyeballs to, can detect a micro crack in a damn cooler or that plastic housing. So be careful with that form of repair. All right. Did I finish that? The seal's going bad. It just makes it harder to crack. Yeah. I have yet to. I don't know about this Derman one. I wanted anybody put one on. Did it come back? I don't know. I saw my buddy, and I heard from my buddy, guys, Derman, the other Chrysler guy on YouTube. Damn, what's his name? He emailed me. We chatted up a little bit. Motor City Mechanic, David Pikes. We right here in Georgia, man. So we both here in Georgia. David, I think he's working out of his own shop now. He used to be a dealer tech. When you dealer, you limited to what you can say and record. I have the luxury of working out of 3 or 4 shops. So you never know where the hell I'm at. The videos you see from me, you don't know where the hell I'm at. So, so David working out of his own shop and blah, blah, this and blah. But yeah, we had a nice little chat. Kudos to that dude, man, doing his thing over there. I don't know. Maybe we'll bump head at the training center. That's the last thing he said on the email. We linked up on Facebook. We talked a little bit on Facebook. But yeah, that dude got some good content over there. When I say good content, I'm talking professional recorded content. Now you can't really. I hate when people do this. He's better than him. So everybody have their own niche, guys. Okay, me, I'm all over the place sometimes. All right, but that is the JT niche. Okay, the way other guys film is the way they film. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of who's better than who from that standpoint. I mean, and let's focus on the content being delivered and make sure you get something out of the content that they are delivering. If that happens, the content creator is pretty much satisfied. Okay, he's happy. And nothing perks content creators. Nothing gives him to read a comment such as, "Oh man, I really appreciate it. You really helped me out a lot. I appreciate it, man. I comment, I subscribe. I love your channel." That it becomes worth it at that point. Okay, and so when I see comments like that, yeah, I'm cool. They got something out of what I displayed. So that's every content creator. Now, don't get me wrong, the revenue stream is a big part of it, but at the end of the day, we want to make sure we delivering stuff that people need to hear or it's in demand. Okay, so David Pikes doing his thing over there. All right, he did a live stream the other day. I missed it. I don't know why. I missed it. So I'm gonna have to catch one of his live stream. I caught Tim live stream yesterday. All right, it's another guy. I can't think of his name, but whatever, man. So yeah, Motor City Mechanic, real cool dude. Interesting, Ruli. I see where you're going with that.